Ever wondered how filmmakers create those jaw-dropping, cinematic shots that make every frame unforgettable? Well, you're about to find out. Today, I'll show you how to master 7 iconic camera moves using Kling AI. No fancy equipment, no years of training, just instant results. So if you've been using tools like Minimax, Runway, or Kling AI to create your videos, this guide will take things to the next level. These 7 camera movements will transform your scenes, making them feel like they belong in a blockbuster film. But here's the twist. Some of these shots are so unique, you might not even know they exist. From the dramatic establishing shot to the dynamic cowboy shot and beyond, I'll not only reveal each one, but also walk you through creating them step by step. Please watch the camera movements carefully, or else you might think they are all the same. But it's 7 different camera movements shots. By the end of this video, you won't just learn these techniques, you'll master them, replicating cinematic visuals effortlessly with Kling AI and elevating your storytelling to a whole new level. Let's start with the establishing shot, the foundation of cinematic storytelling. This shot sets the stage by showing the environment where the scene will take place. Whether it's a sweeping view of a bustling city or a serene countryside, this shot prepares your audience for what's to come. For example, think about the breathtaking opening of Blade Runner 2049, 2017, where a drone-like shot introduces the vast dystopian world. A perfect example of how to instantly draw viewers into your story. This shot is typically wide and expansive, capturing the environment to set the stage. It's essential for transitioning between scenes, offering a visual pause that helps ground the viewer. By focusing on the setting, the establishing shot also conveys subtle emotional cues, such as serenity, chaos, or foreboding, based on the elements within the frame. An establishing shot gives viewers context and mood. The next on our list is the wide shot, a versatile tool to showcase both the character and their surroundings. Unlike the establishing shot, this one often includes the character within the frame, emphasizing their relationship with the environment. This shot is particularly effective for showcasing emotions such as vulnerability, strength, or isolation, as it highlights how the subject interacts with the space around them. Wide shots are also instrumental in providing visual clarity for action sequences or group dynamics, ensuring every movement and detail is visible without overwhelming the viewer. The wide shot's ability to combine storytelling with striking visuals makes it a versatile and essential framing technique in any production. Let me add this. The wide shot is perfect for emphasizing multiple characters within the same scene, setting the stage for their dynamics. Now let's move to the full shot, a powerful way to capture the entire character in their environment. This shot, also called a long shot, shows the full body of the character, giving us a sense of their physical presence and relationship with the surrounding space. The full shot focuses on the entire subject from head to toe, capturing their full body in the frame. This shot is ideal for portraying posture, movement, and body language, allowing the audience to read the character's emotions and intentions through their physicality. By including the surrounding environment, the full shot creates a harmonious composition that emphasizes both the character and the setting. This makes it perfect for action sequences, dramatic moments, or scenes where the character's interaction with their surroundings is crucial. This shot's ability to showcase the subject in their entirety provides a comprehensive view that enriches the narrative. A full shot gives the audience a complete view of the character's posture, body language, and how they occupy the space. It can showcase action scenes, highlight key moments of tension, or even emphasize the contrast between a character and their surroundings. Next up is the cowboy shot, a dynamic framing that captures the subject from mid-thigh up. This shot became iconic in Western movies, where it highlighted the character's holster and weapon, adding tension and drama. The cowboy shot is a mid-thigh framing technique that emphasizes tension, anticipation, and readiness. Its name originates from Western films, where it was often used to highlight a character's holstered weapon. However, this shot has evolved into a dynamic tool applicable to various genres. This shot effectively balances the character and their surroundings while drawing attention to specific details, such as weapons, tools, or gestures. It heightens drama and builds suspense by focusing on the readiness or resolve of the subject. By framing the character at this unique angle, the cowboy shot creates a sense of immediacy and tension, making it a powerful choice for high-stakes moments. The cowboy shot builds suspense by focusing on the character's readiness for action. Medium shot. If you watch this movie, The Dark Knight 2008, The medium shot captures the subject from the waist up, offering a closer view of their actions and expressions while maintaining some context of their environment. This shot strikes a balance between intimacy and setting, making it highly versatile for storytelling. This framing is commonly used for dialogue scenes, as it allows the audience to focus on the character's emotions and interactions without losing the spatial relationships within the scene. Medium shots are also effective for showcasing the character's gestures, making it easier to convey subtle emotions or physical actions. It's close enough to feel intimate, but far enough to include necessary details of the scene. The medium shot's ability to create a personal connection with the subject while retaining visual context makes it one of the most frequently used compositions in filmmaking. The medium close-up takes us even closer, framing the subject from the chest up. It's the perfect shot to highlight subtle facial expressions or create a more intimate connection with the character. One of the most memorable uses of this shot is in The Shawshank Redemption, 1994. When Andy explains the power of hope, the camera draws us into his emotions, making the scene deeply impactful. This shot reduces distractions, placing the audience almost face-to-face with the character. It's ideal for dialogue, moments of revelation, or when you want viewers to feel the character's emotions intensely, emphasizing facial expressions and upper body movements. By reducing distractions, the medium close-up focuses attention on the character's thoughts and feelings, making it ideal for emotional or revealing moments. It also retains some environmental context, which can subtly enhance the mood or tone of the scene. This shot's ability to balance intimacy and context makes it a critical tool for engaging the viewer on a deeper level. The close-up is one of the most dramatic and impactful shots, focusing tightly on a subject's face or a specific detail. This shot is all about drawing attention to something crucial, whether it's emotions, actions, or an important object. A perfect example is in The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly, 1966, during the final showdown. The camera lingers on each character's eyes, building intense suspense and making every blink feel monumental. Close-ups are a storytelling powerhouse, pulling the audience into the character's thoughts and emotions, or emphasizing a critical element of the scene. It's the ultimate tool for creating tension or delivering emotional impact. Close-ups are highly effective for emphasizing key moments, such as a character's reaction, an important clue, or a critical action. By isolating the subject, this shot removes distractions and directs the viewer's focus to what truly matters in the scene. The close-up's ability to magnify emotions and details makes it an indispensable tool for creating tension, delivering dramatic impact, and reinforcing storytelling elements. You might be wondering how you can generate all your videos with some of these camera movement shots. Let me show you how to generate your own camera movement shots. Using Kling AI text-to-video feature, I will use this prompt as an example, starting with a wide-angle establishing shot. To generate this shot with the following prompt in Kling AI, make sure the kind of shot you want is always added into your prompt. For instance, generate a wide-angle establishing shot of a futuristic cyberpunk city at night, with glowing neon lights, flying cars, and a hazy atmosphere. Include towering skyscrapers and a dynamic urban skyline. Once you've created your image, you can take it to the next level by animating it. Use the image to video and add your prompt plus the camera shot, and you generate your video. Give this a try and see how it transforms your videos into cinematic masterpieces. And there you have it. The 7 most powerful camera movements that can transform any video into a cinematic masterpiece. From the expansive establishing shot to the emotional intensity of the close-up, each of these techniques brings something unique to your storytelling. Whether you're creating epic action scenes, heartfelt moments, or suspenseful drama, these shots will make your videos unforgettable. Now it's your turn. Try out these shots using Kling AI and see how they elevate your projects. Which of these camera movements will you experiment with first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cinematic tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next ones.